As you can see, this is the keyboard, and backspace key was not working, so I put it in again. I have some stuff over here written. Try to press backspace. Okay, it's working now. It's working now, I think. So let me just open Notepad or Notepad. Okay. So let me test all the keys first. So this is Q. Q is not working. W, E, R. Q. Okay. Q is working. W, E, R, T, Y, U, I, O, P, brackets, this key, home key, end key, page on page can't be tested here, and A, S, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, semicolon, quote, Z, X, C, V, B, N, M, comma, dot. This space bar is working, and shift keys 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. So the numbers are also working. So apparently they seem to work fine. Let's see if we can increase the volume like this. Volume up is working, volume down is working. Brightness control is working. So this is more or less working. Good. So it seems that buttons are working. That's great.